Hello tech lovers. Welcome back to Tech Insight with IK, your ultimate guide into the latest gadgets and tech innovations, bringing you honest reviews and insights to helping you make informed choices. Hello fans, thanks for all your support by watching, liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I must apologize for the delay in releasing this video. Please, bear with me. Without wasting time, I am going to share with you the best deals on tech and gadgets on day 1 of the Jumia Black Friday 2024 in this follow-up video. At the end of this video, I will give out a coupon code to get extra discount on your purchases. Remember to check in the description box for the links to the offers I am going to share with you. So, watch this video to the end for 10% extra discount coupon code. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Tech Insight with IK, for more updates on Jumia's Black Friday 2024. Let's kick off the show with some of the mouth-watering discounts on digital cameras. Hey photographers, travelers, and vloggers. I've got some exciting deals just for you this Jumia Black Friday. First up, check out the 1.3 megapixel interpolation flipped screen digital camera with a 2.4-inch LCD, Full HD 720p recording, and an infrared lens. It's at a 45% discount. If you're after something higher in resolution, the 4K CCD digital camera with 64MP, 3 lenses, and digital video recording is also on sale with a 47% discount. Another great pick is the Andor TFT portable digital camera, 48MP, 4K Ultra HD, with 16x zoom and a 3-inch screen, now at 51% off. Grab yours through the links in the description below. Moving on to laptops, there's the Ace LX 14.1 Intel Celeron J4105 with 16GB plus 512GB, discounted by a huge 71%. Another great deal is the Wazafin 14.1-inch laptop, with Intel Celeron N4020, 6GB RAM, and 256GB SSD, expandable up to 1TB, with a stunning 81% off. For Apple fans, there's the latest MacBook Air 13.6-inch M3 chip with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, available at 65% off. And for the power users, the MacBook Pro with M3 Pro chip, 14-inch screen, 18GB RAM, 1TB storage, has a 48% discount. In the smartphone category, the Apple iPhone XS, 64GB, Space Gray, is going for 38% off. If you're into Android, the Xiaomi Redmi 13 with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage is at 49% off. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Tecno Pop 9 have 40% off each, and the ZTE Blade A55, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, is now 42% off. If you're looking to upgrade your home security, grab the 1080p mini Wi-Fi IP camera with a built-in battery and wireless capabilities. It's on sale for 53% off. Television deals are here too. Get the Hiker's 32-foot, frameless Android Smart HD LED TV with a 28% discount, or the UFC 43-inch frameless Smart TV with Netflix and YouTube at an incredible 72% discount. Before we continue, are you getting value from this video? Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Tech Insight with IK, give the video a thumbs up and drop your comment below for more amazing deals and tech updates on this season's Jumia Black Friday. And if you're interested in any of these products, check out the links in the description. They're affiliate links, which means I'll earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel and keeps the content coming at no extra cost to you. Thanks for your support, and let's go back to these incredible discounts on Jumia Black Friday. The Infinity 43-foot frameless Smart TV is available at 28% off, perfect for family movie nights. Home appliances are also part of the sale. You'll find the Samsung 28L Smart Convection Microwave at 32% off. The 3-in-1 breakfast maker with a 6% discount, and the Right Tech Deep Fryer for 58% off. The Hisense 7.5 kg twin tub washing machine is at 1% off, and the Hisense chest freezer at 43% off. If you need a new fridge, the Skyrun 182L double door fridge is discounted by 16%, while the Lawntor 16-inch solar rechargeable fan has a 22% discount. Gaming and tech accessories are on sale too. The wired luminescent gaming mouse is 46% off, the mini wireless keyboard with backlight touchpad is at 50% off, and the game controller for iOS and Android devices is available with a 33% discount. Remember, these discounts may change over time, so be sure to visit the links in the description for the latest deals. Happy shopping, and enjoy the Jumia Black Friday savings. At the beginning of this video, I promised to give out a free coupon code for an extra 10% discount when you make purchase through my affiliate links in the description below. So, buy more, spend less with ABF 10,000FF. That's all for now, tech lovers. Don't forget to share this video, like by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.